Get all that snow away from my truck, okay? Oh, you're throwing it back. Good job. You got it?
Yeah.
Can you get some more, please?
No.
What are you calling it a day?
Yeah.
We just got out here. Here's a big pile over here. Come on.
Yeah.
Over here, there's a big pile. Oh, good job. Get all that silly snow off my truck. Hi. How you doing? Look at me. Look at me. Can you see the snow? Oh, get all that snow off there. You're doing a good job. It's coming down. Hey, Jack. Jack, wave to everybody. Good job. Having fun?
Yeah.
All right. All right. You throw wherever you want.
No.
I appreciate the help.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it a blizzard outside?
Yeah.
It's snowing hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
How hard is it snowing?
Fast.
Very fast and very hard, yeah. It's the great blizzard of 2013. All right.
No.
Lots of snow. You ready to take a break? Get some hot chocolate?
What?
You want some hot chocolate? No, not yet.
Want some of the snow, Dad?
Yeah, there's more snow. I'm going to help you. All right.